Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a C and F agency. First, understand that a C and F agency, or carrying and forwarding agency, acts as a crucial link, managing product storage and distribution for various brands. This business demands a solid grasp of logistics and market dynamics to ensure smooth operations. Be prepared for an initial investment, which can vary significantly, typically ranging from 5 lakh to 50 lakh rupees, based on the brand and product type you choose to represent. To establish your C and F agency, several key requirements must be met. You'll need to register your business as a legal entity, like a firm or company. It's also essential to obtain goods and services tax registration and a trade license from your local municipal corporation. Furthermore, securing a suitable warehouse, ideally with at least 300 square feet of space and a valid fire safety certificate, is crucial. Finally, plan to employ at least 2 dedicated salespeople to effectively cover your assigned territory. Navigating the application process involves several important steps. Begin by identifying brands that are actively looking for C and F agents within your preferred industry. Next, prepare a detailed business plan that highlights your warehouse capacity, investment, and any relevant experience in logistics. You will then submit your application, which typically includes financial statements and specifics about your distribution network. Once approved, carefully review and sign a comprehensive agreement outlining partnership terms, commissions, and responsibilities for both parties. For long-term success, focus on building a skilled team capable of managing inventory, transportation, and customer service effectively. Investing in technology for tracking goods and optimizing delivery routes can significantly boost your efficiency. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Lastly, cultivate strong, lasting relationships with manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers to ensure a robust and reliable distribution network. These partnerships are vital for sustained growth and market presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.